Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a thumbnail on Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to Hue and Saturation, then adjust its lightness. Then after that, add a solid color to your layer. Now choose a color that you want. I'm just gonna go with this color, I think. Here, and then once you pick, just click OK. Now click this one, and then press Ctrl I on your keyboard. And then just duplicate this layer. Now change its color to another color that you want. Now after that, select this black canvas and then choose a brush. Then brush it out your canvas. Oh, I forgot to make it you have to make it from normal to color, same as this layer, and then go back and then brush this one. As you can see, it changed the color. And then go overhead again to other layer and do the same thing, just like this. Now once you're done, add again another solid color. Now just choose any color you want. Now just add some color to the lower part of your canvas. And then do the same thing, just like that, but with a lighter color. Now I'll just duplicate this layer. And I'll erase this one. Now I'll add again another layer that is lighter from my previous color. I think, yes, this one. And do the same thing. Oh, I forgot to do the brush. Now after that, change its normal to color dodge. Now right here, I'll add my picture or object here in my canvas. I'm gonna use this image. I'll just fit it in. Now after that, I'll add a solid color. And then just choose any color you want. Now after that, I'll just press the Ctrl I on my keyboard. And then what I'm going to do now is to clip this layer. Now add some highlights by brushing out the edge of your object, just like what I'm doing right here. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side, but with just a different color. And now I'm just gonna change it from normal to color. Same thing on the other side. Now it looks like this. Now what I'm going to do now is to add a solid black color. I'm using this bucket tool. And now I'll change it from normal to screen. And then I'll create a clipping mask. And then I'm gonna go with my brush tool. And I'll add a highlights at the edge of my object. just like this. Now after that, just add some text to your thumbnail. Now you can add various types of design here using this blending option right here on layer style. You can also add some colors using this inner glow. Just change the color you want and adjust its color range. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.